7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm just a Space City cowboy, 90 miles an hour down 45. Got my 10-gallon hat on, baby. 500 horses, let's go for a ride. Got my boots, nothing to lose. Kicking like a Charlotte, gonna turn me loose, oh baby. I'm just a Space City cowboy. There's easy frequencies on the waves from Mars. If you're tuning in closely, baby, NASA's making Billy Rocket power guitars. Houston, there ain't no problem. Slip into a pearl snap and turn up the volume.
Alright, this is our next project. I gotta rebuild the back of this. And some other little parts. And my battery's gonna go dead on me. It's 1930 what? 6?
38.
38 Dodge. Flat tires and all. That one's only soft. That one's flat. This is what we're going to be working on. Got all the pieces, parts and pieces, dash. Yeah, this will be the new one. Alright, let's try this again. Now that we got a new battery. There's a rear fender inside there. There's the dash, or the gas tank, excuse me. Geez, I've been around it long enough, you think I'd know the difference. Front fenders. Okay. Sheet metal in the dash looks all good. Independent suspension already put in it. Looking good. Won't take long. Case and a half, we'll have it all put back together. All right. Good morning.
Ready for custom.
Yep. A few custom touches here and there. Motor setback.
Yeah, plenty of room for motor setbacks.
Yep. Make a gasser out of it. All right, so we'll get this on the trailer.
Thanks again, Joe.
All right, got her on the trailer. Got her all ready to go. Got her on the back of the old shop truck. Yeah. All right, we're ready to rock and roll here. Get her back to the shop. Heat and beat and bend to fit. Alright, as you may know, Corvair's gone, as you can see. This is my next victim. We're going to call it the Dodge Dilemma. You can see somebody's welding in panels.
We're trying to get in a comfy position there.
And we got, the side was hit. But things don't line up quite the way they should. Big gap here. This was put in while down to 5. I got to cut it all back off and start over. So that'll be my first time. Get this cut off. So we can get it lined back up. Pull the body over here where it was pushed in. Straighten things back out. But this is 1938 Dodge. And we're going to put a Cadillac engine in it. So it'll be different. I'll give you a little quick walk around. I did the other day before we brought it in. We got a few holes up underneath here we got to fix. We got that down there. I got to fix that, repair that. And I got some over here I gotta fix. It came with Mustang 2 suspension already in it, but we're going to modify that. We're going to put the tubular A-arms in it so we can get rid of the strut rods, because the Cadillac engine, the exhaust is going to hit right on these here. This here. No, we got to get rid of that. Give us a little more room. So, I got to make a firewall for it, but we'll do that after we put the motor in. Get that set in. All in all, she's in pretty good shape. Not as bad as I thought it would be. Well, this is the boss's personal vehicle. So we'll get this all put back together for him. We're not going to hot rod it too much. It's going to be a resto mod, I guess you'd call it. We're going to run 616 tires on it. So, it's going to be a little driver, that's all. But we got a little bit of work to do before we can put her together. Alright, that's all we're going to let you know for now, and we'll come back to you.